The purpose of that was to get you guys to see that fast-moving fluids create low pressure, and that can move a fluid. This is the cornerstone of small engines. Specifically, that's how a carburetor works. This is a carburetor, and what you see here is a passage where air goes through. Using the throttle valve and the choke valve, I can regulate how quickly the air goes through a carburetor. If the air goes quickly, it can create a very low pressure area that draws a lot of gasoline in, helping the engine go faster. If the air is going slowly, it draws up less gasoline so that the engine continues to go slowly. So here's that same bucket of water again, and if I send air through this carburetor, you'll see the same thing. A bunch of air starts, the fast moving air causes water to be lifted up and sprayed through. Now that's essentially how a carburetor works, but for gasoline. We're going to take a look at a couple parts of the carburetor in the next few questions, but basically there is, and I actually have a cleaner one here, there is a choke valve so that you can start the engine with the richest fuel mixture possible, as well as a throttle valve that's on a spring. And what this spring does is when your engine needs more air, this spring will be open so that there's more air that'll be allowed to flow. When your engine is not under load and starts to idle, it'll close off to let less gasoline in so that your engine doesn't rev as high.